Welcome. If you've ever wondered how to bring back the like and share counts on your Instagram posts, you're in the right place. Instagram gives you the option to hide or show these counts, and sometimes you might want to see them again, either for personal motivation, tracking engagement, or just out of curiosity. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to show like and share counts on your Instagram posts, updated for the latest version of the app. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to make this change. Once you're in, head straight to your profile by tapping your profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now that you're on your profile page, look to the top right corner and tap on the menu icon. It looks like 3 horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger menu. This will open up a list of options for your account settings and features. Next, scroll down and find the option labeled Like and Share Counts. Tap on it to open the settings for these counts. Here, you'll see a toggle switch next to Hide Like and Share Counts. If this switch is turned on, it means your like and share counts are currently hidden from your posts. To show these counts again, simply toggle off the Hide Like and Share Counts option. Once you do this, your followers and you will be able to see the like and share numbers on your posts once more. It's that easy. Remember, you can always come back to this setting and change it at any time, depending on your preference. Whether you want to keep your engagement private or share it with your audience, Instagram puts the control in your hands. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and share this video for more quick and easy Instagram tips. See you in the next one.